In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the gas on a dirt bike. What's up, Rad family? I'm Dakota Freeman, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So anytime that we're riding a carbureted dirt bike, we're going to need to know how to turn the gas on and off. This is going to be a key component to actually making sure that our bike wants to start whenever we're ready to start it, because if we leave our gas on, not only will it want to leak, but it will also flood our carburetor, making it much harder to start the next time we want to start our dirt bikes. So there's a valve that is going to be located on the left-hand side of our bike, and it comes right out of our fuel tank and go right into the carburetor. On this valve, you're going to see a three-way spin on it. It should be clearly labeled and say off, on, and RES, which it stands for reserved. So what this means is off obviously shuts the valve off, and that's going to be the best to have it on whenever we're not riding our dirt bike, so that way it doesn't keep flooding our carburetors. Then when we're ready to ride our dirt bike, we're going to turn the gas to on, so that way the fuel can flow freely through this valve and into the carburetor. When the gas is on and we drop our bike or anything like that, it's going to keep flowing that gas though. So just know this and know that it's going to flood your bike if it's laying on its side for a long amount of time. So if you do fall, go ahead and try to get that bike back up before it floods the carburetor. Then we can turn the valve to RES, which stands for reserved. And that is actually going to be a reserve tank for if you run out of gas. It gives you just a little bit of gas left to hopefully get back to the truck and trailer or wherever you started riding from. So let's go ahead and go through on the bike, and I'll show you all three of these different spots on that gas valve. So right here on the left-hand side of our dirt bikes, you're going to see the gas valve. Right now it's off, and I'll show you a zoomed in clip of this, but we're going to turn it to on, and now the fuel is going to be coming right out of the gas tank through the valve and right into our carburetor, which is located right behind the frame here. Turning it forward, it's going to be off because it lines up with the off there and you can't read any other words on it. And if we switch it this way, we're going to read the RES on the valve. That's going to stand for reserve, and that's going to be our reserve tank. So just knowing how to turn this off, turn this on, and turn it to reserve whenever needed is going to be a big part of riding with a carbureted dirt bike, because you're going to always want to, just like I said before, have it off when we're not riding it, and make sure that you turn it on whenever you're ready to ride. So if this video helped you, make sure you like this video, drop some comments down below, and ask me any other questions that you have. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help this channel grow and be able to reach so many more people. If you're still looking for more dirt bike riding tips, I'm always here. I've made a full dirt bike riding course over on my website. It'll walk you through being a complete beginner and take you to an advanced rider mastering the tracks and trails. I also give away a free dirt bike guide. All you have to do is subscribe to the website, and I'll email it straight to you. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's right here and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding videos. After that, you can watch my next video right here. Now stay rad, and I'll see you over there.